Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a store-bought slime review and I will be reviewing the slime pack right here. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already, because once we hit 2,000 subscribers I will be doing a face reveal on this channel. And yeah, let's just get on with the video. So the slime pack that we will be reviewing on today's store-bought slime review is from Guava Toys. This is the Breakfast Bonanza slime pack. It comes with a blueberry and a maple syrup slime. I purchased both of these slimes for $4, which isn't a bad price, but we're gonna just have to figure out how good these slimes actually are. So the first slime in the pack is called Blueberry. This is a blue slime, as you guys can see. I was surprised to find out that this slime was scented. It was scented like blueberries. It kind of smelled like a gummy blueberry candy that I used to eat, so it smelled super good. As for the texture of the slime, I wasn't very happy with it. It wasn't stretchy at all, and it was really tough for some reason. I don't know why. But this slime kind of felt like it had instant snow in it or something. I'm not sure, but the slime was not stretchy at all and it wasn't very fun to play with. The only thing that I really like about this slime was the scent, so overall I would give this slime a 4 out of 10 stars. And the last slime that I will be reviewing from the slime pack is called Maple Syrup. I was really interested to see how this slime was gonna be like, since the other one was not my favorite. Maybe this one could be better. This slime is a maple syrup colored clear slime and it was scented like maple syrup. It actually smelled really good and the texture was a little different than the last one. This one didn't feel like it had instant snow in it. It had more of a clear slime texture, and this one was a little more stretchier than the last one. It still was not the stretchiest because of course it is a store-bought slime, but it was a little stretchier than the last one, which I was happy about. This slime also made great poking noises and bubble pops, and I actually enjoyed playing with this slime. Overall, I think I would give this slime a 7 out of 10 stars. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already, and comment down below this emoji right here if you made it all the way to the end of the video. Again, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!